Nature is wonderful, and there are a number of such wonders which you every time might be thinking that how this particular thing has happened. So hello everyone, today I am going to tell you one of the wonders which you every time notice but have never thought what is the reason behind. So let us discuss what is the reason behind that particular wonder and what is the wonder which I am talking about. This is that why all the plants they shed their leaf with the passage of time, and before shedding their leaves they turn the leaf into yellow color. What is the reason behind that? Now as you all know, all the leaves you can see on this plant, you can see there are a number of green leaves. Green leaves are why? Because of the presence of chlorophyll. Now chlorophyll, you all know, is that pigment which helps in the synthesis of food. So this is a green leaf which is having a large amount of chlorophyll. But apart from chlorophyll, leaves are also having another pigment which is called as carotenoid. Now carotenoid is basically range from yellow to orange hues, means the shades of yellow till orange are basically because of the presence of carotenoid. But yellow is a light shade and green is a dark shade. So until there is presence of the dark shade, we are not able to see the light shade. So how we can see the light shade in a leaf like this, which has now turned yellow? Why this leaf has turned yellow? And then ultimately with the passage of time, it will start degrading and it will just come down because it has been shed off. Now I'll tell you the reason for that. Now one thing you should be knowing is that chlorophyll, which plays a very important role in photosynthesis, actually regenerates itself. As much time you will be providing sunlight to the plant, it will keep on producing more of the chlorophyll. Obviously, until there will be chlorophyll, the color of the leaf will be green. But when the days become short, means when there will be a little lower temperature and the plants are not able to get sufficient sunlight, what happens? That chlorophyll regeneration will stop. Initially, it will slower down and ultimately it will stop. So when it will stop, then there will be no chlorophyll regeneration and ultimately the green pigment will start becoming less. Now because green color is less, now the leaf will start showing its yellow color, which is due to presence of carotenoid, which is always there present in the leaf. Now with the passage of time, what happens? Whole of the chlorophyll, it totally degenerates and no of the new chlorophyll is produced. Now leaf has completely carotenoid present in it. Now because it has carotenoid only, now it is not able to synthesize its own food. Now plant also senses this thing that leaf is of no use to it. So what it does, there is a joint where the leaf is attached with the stem of the plant or to the branch of the plant. So it ultimately stops sending all the water and nutrients which are required for photosynthesis to the leaf. Now because leaf is not getting any new water and minerals, ultimately it will start getting detached from the plant. And with the passage of time, it will detach. So because it is of no use, plant has to shed it off and ultimately this happens in the plants. Okay, now you got an idea why plants shed their leaf. And this basically happens in certain plants which are called as deciduous. Means they shed their leaves during the autumn season or during fall. But there are other plants also which never shed their leaf. We always look at those plants and they appear to be green all through the year. The reason is that most of the evergreen plants, they have a waxy coating on them. Because of the waxy coating, it does not get much harm because of the cold temperatures. And this is the reason it remains as such for longer time. And in the meantime, there are new leaves being generated, and when the old ones they detach, it still gives a feeling that plant is totally green. Now this is the reason when you see during the fall season, you will see there are hardly any leaves on the trees. I think now it is clear to you what actually is the reason which makes the leaves fall and why leaves are getting that yellow color when they are about to fall. Isn't it an amazing fact? You people must be wondering, but the reason you were not knowing. Hope you people are now able to understand it. Thank you.